Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you to use drop-down menus in Godot 4. To get started, go to create a new user interface scene. Let's add in an option button. I'm going to drag this out. Name it whatever we would like. Now let's go add our first element, which let's just do fruits. So apple, orange, and banana. Now press play. If you click on the drop-down menu, you'll see that we get our items, and you can select whichever one you would like. Now let's say you want one to already be selected by default. Well, that's pretty easy to do. As you can see, each of these have IDs. In the selected, you can enter in the ID of which one you want to have selected by default. So let's just have oranges selected by default. If we press play, you'll see that we already have oranges selected. Now, right now, selecting an item doesn't really do anything, so to add some functionality, let's create a new script. Now head back over to your button. In the node, on item selected, connect this to your script. Now, to test, let's go ahead and print out the index. Now if we press play, you'll see that if we select the item, it'll print out that item's corresponding index. To take this a step further, I've gone ahead and added in a switch statement that will print out a message based on the index of the item. Anyways guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!